What if a home costs less than a new iPhone?
Sounds unbelievable, right? Elon Musk just announced a $7,999 Tesla tiny house, and people are going crazy over it. That's nearly 98% cheaper than the average US home price. Let's break down what this Tesla house really is, why it's finally here, what's inside, and how that free land and no tax deal actually works. The Tesla Casita, meaning little house, is a 280 square foot tiny home that's affordable, eco-friendly, and fully powered by Tesla technology. It includes a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping area, and living space, all smartly designed for comfort and efficiency. The best part? It's move-in ready within 2 hours. No construction, no hassle, just plug in and live. Now here's the part that shocked everyone: the price tag. $7,999. That's less than what many people pay for rent in just a few months, and still hard to believe for something made by Tesla. At first, many thought it was a joke, but Tesla confirmed the price officially. The main goal is to make housing affordable for everyone, especially with prices going up everywhere. Each house is factory-made, built like a car on an assembly line to keep costs low and quality high. Elon Musk once said housing is one of humanity's biggest problems, and this feels like Tesla's bold attempt to fix it. Tesla offers free land for 2 years and no property tax, making the $7,999 home even more affordable. After that, Tesla helps with land ownership or relocation. The tiny house runs fully off-grid, powered by solar panels and a Tesla Powerwall. Inside, it includes a kitchen, bathroom, and cozy sleeping area with smart space design. Everything is automated through Tesla's smart home system, combining comfort with clean energy living. How is it made? This is where Tesla's tech magic shines the most. Each house is built in the Nevada Gigafactory using advanced robotics. Panels, walls, and frames are made with computer precision, ensuring zero waste and perfect alignment. Instead of using wood or drywall, Tesla uses composite panels with EPS foam and magnesium oxide boards. These materials make the home fireproof, waterproof, termite-resistant, and soundproof while staying light. The construction process is fully automated, just like building a Tesla car. Once done, it's shipped and assembled within hours, with no mess or extra costs. Don't let the size fool you. This house is built to survive almost anything. The structure uses reinforced steel and composite layers that handle hurricanes, earthquakes, and even floods. Experts say it can last over 50 years with very little maintenance thanks to its durable design. Because it's lightweight, the whole unit can also be moved anywhere if needed. It's a home that adapts to life, not the other way around. Just detach it, load it up, and take it wherever life leads. That's real freedom in housing. Tesla's goal is clean energy for everyone, and this tiny house carries that same vision. Every unit includes roof solar panels, a Powerwall battery, and a rainwater collection system built right in. It's designed to work off-grid, needing no city power or water connection at all. Even in remote areas, it runs efficiently day and night without outside help. This setup means no electricity bills, no water bills, and no pollution. It's a perfect example of Tesla's mission, turning sustainability into reality for regular people. Even though it's only about 280 square feet, comfort hasn't been sacrificed one bit. The walls are made with high-quality insulation to keep it cool in summer and warm in winter. Double-glazed windows control temperature and block noise, making the space quiet and peaceful. Lighting is soft, with warm LED strips that make the place feel cozy and modern. The furniture is designed to fold, slide, and tuck away, saving tons of space. Everything looks minimal but elegant, proving Tesla wants small homes to feel luxurious. Tesla has already begun test deliveries in California, where early buyers are moving into their units. Full-scale production is expected to expand in 2026, spreading across the US and then worldwide. Ordering is as simple as buying online. Choose your setup, confirm, and wait for delivery. Once it arrives, Tesla's team installs it in just 2 hours, ready to live in the same day. No waiting months for builders or paperwork headaches. This simple system shows how Tesla plans to revolutionize home buying forever. The idea of a Tesla home has been around for years, but it's finally becoming real now. The delays came mostly from manufacturing challenges and strict housing regulations across regions. Tesla needed time to create new robots and materials that fit every safety standard worldwide. Now that the Gigafactory is fully ready, mass production is finally possible at low cost. The timing also makes sense, since housing prices have exploded globally. A $7,999 Tesla home might just be the breakthrough everyone's been waiting for.
This project is much more than just a small home. It's about rethinking how housing works. Tesla wants homes to be built fast, clean, and efficient, just like cars from an assembly line. Musk has always said Tesla is really an energy and sustainability company, not only about cars. The Tesla Casita fits right into that long-term plan for a greener planet. Imagine millions of people living in solar-powered homes that need no fuel or pollution. That's the kind of world Tesla seems determined to create for everyone. If Tesla pulls this off, it could change the entire housing industry forever. Builders, contractors, and property developers may need to rethink how they operate. Young people who can't afford traditional homes could finally own something real. Families might use these as vacation homes, rentals, or emergency housing after disasters. Even governments could adopt them for low-cost living solutions or shelters. It's not just another tech product. It's a possible social revolution in housing. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are still big questions left to answer. Where exactly will Tesla offer its free land program, and how many units can it produce each year? Will every city approve these homes under their zoning laws, or will changes be needed? Production, delivery, and support systems still need global scaling. There's also the challenge of maintaining affordability and quality at high volume. But if any company can overcome these hurdles, it's definitely Tesla. Social media has exploded with reactions since the announcement, and excitement is everywhere. Many see it as the future of affordable housing, while others are just amazed at the low price. Some skeptics doubt it's possible, but that's nothing new for Tesla projects. People said the same when Musk promised electric cars that beat gas cars, and look what happened. For millions, this home represents hope and a new start. If it works, it could be Tesla's most impactful product yet. The new $7,999 Tesla tiny house might redefine what homeownership means for the modern world. Affordable, smart, and eco-friendly, it checks every box that today's lifestyle demands. With free land for 2 years and no construction tax, it's more than a home. It's a concept for the future. Whether this becomes a global trend or stays niche, it's a huge step forward. Once again, Elon Musk is proving that limits are made to be broken. So, would living in a Tesla tiny house be worth it? Or is it just another wild dream made real? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.